Hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 7th June 2022 and the trade setup for tomorrow, that is 8th June 2022. So, what we discussed, friends, since the CPR is in downtrend, we'll see for a put position only, and location of the candle is very important, right? So, here the market opened gap down. Okay, what we discussed, if market cross L4 we'll take a put position, but where to take the position and where to take entry and where to get our profit and where to keep our stop loss is very much important. You see here, we always wait for the first 5 minutes candle to close, right? See, this is a big bearish candle formed, so we don't trade in that candle and we'll wait for the next candle. See, after this first 5 minutes candle, I'm clear that the market is bearish. Still it is bearish with this gap down. And where should I enter? See, this is the point where we can enter. See, I already done a short on this and I entered here at this point. You can see the live analysis and live profit and loss in the short. See here, this is the position where I entered the trade, because see, I kept stop loss here at this point. So see, market can come to this level. Stop loss is nothing but the market retest, right? If what if market comes to this point, that is what we keep stop loss. Sometimes it may come or may not come, so that to don't miss our trade, we'll keep the stop loss. And I kept stop loss here at this point and I entered here at the previous day low, and my target was up to 80 points. See, this is my target. Here it reached L4, right? But I waited. It went to retest for previous day high and again it has fallen. See, today most of the traders stop loss was hit, but remember, right location to take trade. Maybe the bank Nifty trade stop losses were hit, but Nifty is a perfect index where we can trade like anything. Like if you are aware of the levels every day, if you go on observe the market for years, you will definitely be in the market and you will be successful in the market with this Nifty. I always like to trade in Nifty only rather than Bank Nifty. Maybe most of the traders will do Bank Nifty, but I like to trade in the Nifty, because with my back testing I came to know that Nifty will respect the levels much than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty will always be like a wild animal. It can go anywhere in the graph. It sometimes cannot. We cannot expect like the market is going to respect some level. It can randomly move in the live market. So with my back testing, I have an opinion that Nifty will respect the levels. So with Nifty we can keep little stop loss. Like if you manage your stop loss, the profit will be managed by the market. That is what you need to know. You should not worry about the target. You should be worried about the stop loss, and you should be managed about the stop loss only. And the target, the rest of the target and your rewards will be taken care of the market. See, this is the entry and this is the exit. That's all. It's only one trade opportunity in the day. See, every day there is only one opportunity only. We should capture that moment, like the right point to trade. And coming to the trade setup for tomorrow, see, the CPR is too narrow. It's too narrow and the CPR is in downtrend, so most probably we will see for a put position, right? See, since CPR is very narrow, there are two setups where we can see the market tomorrow, that is H4 or L4 breakout, or there will be a breakout if and only if it is between H3 to L3. What? Between H3 to H4 or L3 to L4. what if market opens flat? If market opens flat, definitely, since it is narrow CPR, it will penetrate the CPR and it will revolve around the CPR only. See the distance between H3 to L3 is 377 to 455. It's not more than 100 points, right? And the distance between H3 to H4 is also not high, like above 100 points. So the market needs space to travel. Like if there is minimum 100 points distance, it will be like free to travel in that space. See here, from L3 to H3, see, the distance is around 70 points only. So the market will be sideways tomorrow. I feel like the market will be sideways. But if market breaks H4 or L4, then there will be a trendy day. That's it. See here, if market opens flat and if it goes at H3, then from H3 to L3 we can go for a put position. And if market opens below L3 and if it cross L4, then we can definitely go for a put position. And if market opens gap up and if it consolidates for some time and if it breaks H4, then we can go for a call position. See, if market opens above H4, if the market opens above H4, then most probably that will tend to fall. That is what I expect. And if it cross H4, then we can definitely go for a put position, and the target will be up to your risk reward ratio, maybe up to CPR. Okay, see here, if market opens above between H3 to H4 and if it cross H4, you should be very careful and you should reduce your quantity. Since it is a call position, it's against to our trend. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.